Illegal animal trade.
Hi, we're going to talk about illegal animal trade.
Did you know that people kill many rhinos and elephants just for ivory?
Did you know that one horn can sell for $300,000?
$300,000. Can you believe that?
These animals are in danger of extinction.
Did you know birds are sent illegally inside water bottles by May?
And snakes are sent in socks.
Did you know that once police found 2 Shiba-Inus inside a metal box?
Animal leather and feathers are used in fashion industry.
And what are you doing to help?
Be sure that you stick to certified products and spread the word about illegal animal trade.
Remember, every action counts.
The